Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Nissan Frontier. It's right behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Chrome grille adds a sharp feel. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now, you do have a bed extender here. You have a soft cover on top that's going to keep your bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio as well as Bluetooth and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Frontier on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.